Let me show you a quick and easy way to convert an image into a PDF using WPS Office, completely free. Whether you're working on a computer or a mobile device, this process is super simple and takes just a few minutes. If you're not familiar with WPS Office, it's a powerful, all-in-one office suite that lets you handle documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDFs effortlessly. The best part? It's free to use and works on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. You can grab the download link in the description if you don't already have it installed. Once you've got WPS Office ready to go, open the app and head to the PDF section on the home screen. From there, select Picture to PDF. This will open a file explorer where you can choose the image, or even multiple images, you want to convert. If you're working with several photos, you can combine them into a single PDF file. After selecting your images, you'll see a preview screen. Here, you can rearrange the order, resize the images, or adjust margins to get everything just right. Once you're happy with the layout, click Export to PDF. Choose where you want to save the file, give it a name, and you're done. Your image is now a polished PDF, ready to use. And that's it. WPS Office makes converting images to PDFs a breeze, and it won't cost you a thing. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it and let me know what other tips or tutorials you'd like to see next.